How to fix the network error authority invalid in the browser. Hello everyone, and let's get started. On today's video, we'll be discussing some of the ways to fix this issue. For the very first one, go to Settings and then on Network and Internet. Under this, click on Advanced Network Setting and then on Network Reset. Once you tap on the Reset Now button, you can try to access the browser again. If this does not fix the issue, let's move on to the next solution. For that, open Control Panel and then click on Network. Once you click on Network, click on Change Adapter Settings and then select on your Wi-Fi or the Ethernet connection. Right click on the connection and go to Properties. From the Properties, select on IPv4. Again tap on its properties, select on Use the following DNS and keep the DNS as 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.1.1. Then after tap on OK and try to access the browser again. Now open the browser, tap on three dots and go to Settings. From the Settings, go to Privacy and Security and then click on Clear Browsing Data. Select on browsing data that you want to clear and click on Clear Data. This should probably fix the issue. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.